welcome back to my channel. So for this video I am going to share with you my fall decor apartment tour kind of thing. I'm basically gonna show you what pieces and areas I've decided to decorate for fall. As you all know, I live in an apartment, so I don't have much room to decorate, but I like to here and there bring pieces of fall, like, you know, getting cozy and warm. The season that I really like to decorate for is Christmas. I am a December baby, so I love Christmas. I love to decorate for Christmas. But this is gonna be my third fall decorating, so I don't have a lot of pieces yet because I haven't lived in this country for that long. So for the past 3 years I've been accumulating, and I'm really hopeful that in the future this becomes like a huge thing for me. Each fall I'll decorate and all that. But if you saw my last video, I said I was going to do a Starbucks giveaway. One thing I come to enjoy and love about fall in the United States is coffee. And American coffee, it's, you know, for a Caribbean person like me, American coffee is a little more watered down than I would like, but I really enjoy pumpkin spice latte. I know, really basic of me, but I do. And so on my last video I said I was going to give away 3 Starbucks gift cards, and I already chose the winner. I used a tool online. It's called Wheel of Names. Teachers use that a lot to pick names in raffles, and I just put all of you guys' name, everybody that follows me here on YouTube. I put all of your names in there, and I was able to pick 3 winners. So here we go. The first winner is Cristina Brito. A person to win the Starbucks gift card, it's Gloria Boone. Congrats. The third person that is going to get a Starbucks gift card from me is, her username is Abreu0992. Congrats. Congrats to everybody that won on this small giveaway. I am going to be hosting more giveaways here on my channel and on my Instagram page, so make sure to follow me there. I'm gonna leave it somewhere, and I'm gonna leave it down below also. You just click and follow me there. And without further ado, here's my fall 2020 decor. Enjoy. Before I start any decoration, I like to set all my pieces on my kitchen table so I can see everything I have and then decide where it's gonna go. This is a new purchase. I bought this at Michael's for like $6, I think. And when you enter my house or my apartment, this is our entry table. It's just a few pieces from the Target dollar spot and the Dollar Tree. Moving along into the kitchen, this is my little coffee station. The one on the top is our coffee, and the one container in the bottom is the sugar. And then I decided to add some pumpkins and a little flowers from the Target dollar section too. Along in the kitchen, on my stove, I decided to add this little DIY project that I did last year from the Dollar Tree, and I added some greenery around it. I just think it looks so cute. And for my center table or my island table, I added a few pumpkins from Target and Home Goods. For my couch for this season, I decided to go a little more neutral. I usually add some oranges and blues and stuff like that, but I decided to stick to my whites, creams, and black. I don't have a mantle or a chimney, but we have this Sonos speaker, so I decorate that for every season. The garland is from Target, as well as the pumpkins too. I just think it's a nice little touch. I tried to add pieces on every room. This is my daughter's bathroom. I added a few DIY projects and some more pumpkins. And on her room, I added this Minnie Mouse lantern that I got at CVS last year. Moving along with our room, I decided to add this sign because we got married this year, and I added a little green pumpkin. For our bedroom, I like to change my hats. This is a new hat that I got from Target. I put it usually alongside our big art piece that we have. And the only thing changing in our balcony is our mums. Thanks for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.